Australian Engineered Polymers, known as APOL, has its head office in New South Wales, Australia. The company supplies environmentally friendly polymer-based solutions for road construction, dust control and geoliners for water infrastructure. APOL developed products exclusively to address dust suppression on mine sites. However, over the years, the product range has developed substantially and is now used comprehensively for many government and private contractor road and dam building projects. The company's main focus is on road performance, strength, durability, full life cycle costs and sustainability. In addition, our research also focuses on other road qualities such as driver safety through improved visibility due to dust suppression, wet weather performance and transport economics. APOL is able to provide various solutions to government, private sector and mining industries to reduce CO2 emissions and reduce aggregate and water consumption by implementing cost-effective stabilisation and dust palliative measures in the building and maintaining of roads and tailings.
I think it's quite a good application. It's easy, so there's probably quite a few areas that you can use it in, whether that's sort of through private companies or public companies as well. And I think lots of different applications. Okay, whether that's construction or mining industry. Look, even people that have smaller companies that have yards and that need to have the dust suppression or an all-weather road in their area.
I think that the polymers that you guys are promoting are potentially the future of stabilising roads, and I want to explore them a bit further and see what they can do for us with our dusty roads there in New Zealand.
I was impressed with the process, of course, but I guess the process is reasonably how you might expect it to be. But the early signs are encouraging. I'm very, very keen to see the end result. I came with a couple of purposes in mind. One, to look on behalf of our energy division, but also more particularly for the underground mining sector that I work in. And I'm hoping, after I see what I see tomorrow, there might be some applicability of that to our sector.
I can see it adds value possibly to small quarries, local councils, modifying their gravel pavements and also their raw materials.
I think this is a product, it's potentially the future of road stabilisation and dust remission. I think this is turning the corner in the thought and leadership of where this should be going.
The APOL product range includes SoilTech, DustTech and PolySeal, and a soon-to-be-released product, PolyGel, for use with sites with a PI up to 45, for example clay. SoilTech is used in road construction. SoilTech polymers gain binding strength from compression. The greater the compaction, the better the polymer binds. Stabilised roads are open to traffic immediately. The kneading effect of vehicle traffic further assists in accelerating the evaporation process of the surfactants and coalescing solutions surrounding the polymer chains. SoilTech polymers will start binding when exposed to air, and the surfactant, aided by an alcohol mix, starts to evaporate. Once mixed into the road's base, mechanical compaction ensures that the chains of SoilTech polymers are firmly interlocked with the soil particles. SoilTech polymers are elastomeric by nature and therefore do not become brittle and cannot crack. In most instances, existing in situ soils can be used to reduce the layer works normally associated with cement and lime stabilised roads. SoilTech polymers were originally designed to provide solutions to heavy haul mining road requirements. Haul trucks weighing in excess of 300 tonnes, spread across only 2 axles, have been a major challenge to road engineers up till now. Structural strengths achieved with SoilTech polymer stabilisation exceed international single-axle load-bearing standards by several 100%. A further major design benefit of SoilTech is the fact that very impressive load-bearing strengths are achieved combined with elastomeric properties to provide unsurpassed tensile performance. This critical relationship of structural strength and high yield strain sets Australian Engineered Polymers' SoilTech products as a leader in the industry. DustTech nanotechnology polymers are essentially a liquid plastic styrinated copolymer compound and are primarily used for dust suppression of gravel or dirt haul roads, mine tailing dams and mine tailing slopes. DustTech has been developed with a particle size of 1 micron, that's 1,000th of a millimetre. This minute polymer particle size allows greater penetration into the soil, forming a cohesive barrier against wind and water to dramatically reduce airborne dust and acid leaching, making the application site much more environmentally friendly. The benefits of Dust Tech applications include single applications lasting up to 2 years, a strong protective covering skin of 2 to 3 millimetres, no requirement for daily water spraying, massive reductions of acid leaching, and cost effectiveness. PolySeal is a water-based soluble polymer-based geoliner dam seal product. The application of 3 coats of PolySeal will allow for highly elastic and non-toxic sealing of new dams and new or existing water reservoirs. PolySeal is typically sprayed over a geofabric base, producing a dam sealer with amazing properties, including no acid leaching, high tensile strength, quick drying, flexibility for dam floor or reservoir settling, and easily repairable.
I found the process of application yesterday extremely good. I'm extremely impressed with the dust retardation side of it. But I really see a great application for the dam process. We're using the linings for the dams.
The product sort of stood very well and very consistent with what was going to happen, and so it stood up in regards to the outcome that I thought it was going to be, so very good.
Yeah, I can see that they definitely both work. The thing that I would say is an important process in the whole step stage of getting it down is your preparation of your roads as well. Okay, so you've got different types of products you use, so it's best to have a look at the areas and get the roads all prepped, and that's going to give you a better result when you go into a permanent area and put it down.
I'm pretty impressed with what I've seen. That road is bound together very impressively. Someone showed me a lovely little bunch of rocks all string hung together that was picked up off the road. And I saw the bus run across the top of the pavement that was treated with dust suppressant and that wasn't, and it was just a night and day difference between them. So yeah, looking forward to the ongoing results and the hardness test and everything else, but yeah, so far it looks impressive.
It was obvious the Dust Tech has advantages with the significantly less dust than the areas without the Dust Tech. It may have, what's the word I'm looking for, advantages or improve the natural properties for things like sag curves, crests, things where the roads are critical.
Australian Engineered Polymers offers the most comprehensive range of non-toxic, environmentally friendly, cost-effective solutions to your business. For more information, please go to apol.com.au or contact your sales rep today.